Okay, stop.
We took our Highlander today. As if you guys have been watching our videos, you know that we crashed our Ranger last week in Big Bear. So we're taking my daily driver. It's an all-wheel drive hybrid XLT version, or XLE, I think that's what Toyota uses. It did pretty good. This trail's really easy. I think a two-wheel drive could have made it. All right, that's our view from the Highlander. We're gonna be setting up our camp here. We're gonna be sleeping inside the Highlander. Perfect fit. Alright guys, so the Qomotop mattress that usually fits inside our Roofnest fits pretty good inside of the Highlander. It's pretty much a queen mattress back here. I want to show you guys what the view looks like. Here is our view from the camp. What do you guys think? In regards to the Highlander, it's pretty much a stock XLE hybrid Highlander 2021. The only thing I've done to it is the roof rack. As you can see, holds a lot of stuff. TRD badge and some door dent protection. I also tinted it quite a bit. The best part about this vehicle is that it's pretty capable all-wheel drive, and we still got about 35 miles per gallon even in the trails. So here is the moonshade all set up. We got 3 walls covered. Here is the Highlander, and here is our view. It's a Saturday. We're in one of our favorite spots. This spot usually doesn't get pretty busy, but today there's been quite a bit of cars driving around. Anyways, it's a nice, balmy 58 degrees, I think. The sun makes it a lot hotter, but there's barely any wind, and I think it's going to be the perfect temperature for a nice little one-day camping trip. We brought our Highlander, our dog. My brother's on the way here, actually. The Highlander did pretty good. There was quite a bit of rut, pretty mild trail to be honest. It wasn't really a problem. We're going to be sleeping inside the Highlander. We got our moonshade, pretty simple camping setup. To the west of us is going to be Temecula, southwest will be San Diego, so this area is really close to a lot of the Southern California cities. We like this place a lot because it's open pretty much year-round, and you could have a fire also mostly year-round, as long as it's within a metal container. If you look behind me, it's pretty nice. There's no clouds in the sky, not too much wind either. This area does get a lot of wind in certain times of year. Hopefully today won't be too bad. There is our Highlander with the moonshade. There's my wife and the dog. Hi babe. Okay, so here's the view from the Highlander. We got our Qomotop mattress. Yandu, up! There's enough space for 2 people and a big dog. My brother made it. He took his truck, 1991 Toyota pickup. It's a baby Yoda. My brother set up. Apparently it's a hyper light tent. On display, it looks like it's 100% recycled rice bag. Does that even stay warm?
No.
Not at all? So that's the brand Hyperlight. And that's the view from the Hyperlight tent. Country fried chicken. And we're heating up some oil. You got to protect the vehicle, so we rigged up this ghetto Asian splash guard. So this is our Coleman camping oven. It's actually $50 on Amazon. One thing that I would like to get is another rack for... Ooh, it almost fell. As you can see, we have chocolate chip, and then we also have sugar. Great. All right, here's experiment number 1. Chocolate chip cookies look pretty good. Let's see how this tastes. Crunchy at the bottom and real chewy at the top. Good job. The thermometer on this thing I don't think is super accurate. The cookies actually call for about 325 for 15 minutes. It was in there for a good, how long, babe? Like 5-10 minutes?
10 minutes.
And it's been saying 250 this whole time, so just keep a close eye on what you're cooking. Let's see what the sugar cookies look like. They look like melted butter. Here are the shomais that I made. Let's see if I can get a good focus. Not bad. Here are the chicken fingers I made earlier. This one's extra crunchy. So let's give it a try. It's very good. It's deep fried, crunchy. I'm gonna try mixing it with a little bit of honey mustard. Look at that. It's still moist on the inside. Alright, with the honey mustard. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What do you think, Yandu? Alright, as you can see, we got big sized firewood out in the desert. It out, getting ready for summiting San Jacinto. All the kindling is going pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and put one of my old unused Sam's Club wood. Shrockworks have their own beds. It's time to go in. The wind really picked up, so we broke camp kind of. Good boy. Cold outside, it's windy. My brother's walking around. He packed up his tent early because it was so windy, but it was very comfortable inside the Highlander. Alright, so we're packing up the Highlander. It's super windy this morning. Really can't even cook or make coffee. Go ahead and head out in a few minutes. We're going to be taking the Highlander and the Baby Yoda. We're going to go up this trail. Looks like a Baby Yoda. So we're going to be heading out. Super windy. The wind is very brutal right now. It's actually about 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts, I would say. Temperature's great, but we got to go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you all next time. Find an adventure and leave this place better than you found it.